Greetings and salutation, fellow dreamers. Right now we are on Aldo Koan Drive here in Daro, and we are checking out Soo-Wan Asian Fusion Restaurant. As a landmark, it's actually right next to the Blue Horizon. It's kind of hard to miss that sign. The National Highway is right down there, and over there is more of Daro. Alright, so this place opened up June of last year. Then they got hit with the pandemic, so all they've been doing is delivery. This is the first I've heard of this. Actually, props go out to JP and Juvie over at Generation Asian YouTube channel for recommending this, letting me know that this place was actually here. This is the exterior. As you can see, everything's nicely done. They got some rattan furniture. They got lots of seating out here. Even though Amihan has basically stopped and it's gotten a lot warmer, it's not too bad out here right now. They got some nice lighting. You guys know I like lighting. I'm into that sort of stuff. Of course, they got the biometrics. I'm just coming off a cold, but I'm still pumping 36.6, so that's not a bad thing. Now, there's some other customers in here right now, so I'm gonna try to keep them out of frame as we do this. The air conditioning is really good. Air conditioning is excellent. And before we get into anything else, let's check the art. There's actually a lot of nice art on the wall here. This is by a local artist. Reasonable prices. This one right here is $11.50. Here's an old kuya. Looks like he's got a lantern on a raft or something. That's $11.50. That's cheap, about 20 bucks. This is a very nice one. We got some back glare. We got Bahala Nasi Batman, and this is only 900 pesos right here. Got another piece, 900 pesos. And Chicha was very offended by this because she is a hardcore red, and she does not like public displays of affection between men. So she thought this was a kiss between men. And this one is rocking for 900 pesos. She also noted this right away because she is a serial adopter. She saw that you could adopt this plant for 300 pesos. But at this point, we have quite a lot of plants at our place. So yeah, we're just waiting patiently for our food. They said about 15 to 20 minutes. Again, the layout, the renovation, whoever did the renovation on this did a really good job. You got plants up there. You got these nice lights and all this stuff. Their air conditioning is cranking, which is good because it's hot. And Zoe is digging it. I have a Coke Zero. Janice has a Coke. Chichai has a Coke. And what happens when Chichai sleeps all day and has a Coke at night?
Stay up all night.
Stay up all night. To party with and Zoe. Alright, one thing we're gonna do now, and some people get upset when I do this, but hey, you can tell a lot about the quality and the maintenance and the attention to detail of any type of restaurant or facility by its bathroom. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Also, let's check out the drinks. They got Royale, they got sauce for all the different things that they make, Coca-Cola, all that stuff. And as you can see, as a reflection of the overall attention to detail and quality of this establishment, this is probably one of the nicest bathrooms I've ever been in the Philippines. Very nice, very clean. There's me. And it's just looking good. It's nice, it's clean. Classy, it's got toilet paper, and the toilet seat's not broken. I tell you people, this is the stuff that can make or break a business. So yeah, overall, the ambiance, the layout, and everything is really nice. I like it. All right, so our table is set. We've already made our order. We ordered the pad thai. We ordered the spring rolls, fresh spring rolls. That's a Vietnamese thing. Pad thai is, of course, Thai. And we also ordered, what else did we order? And a bahn mi, yeah. Because the only bahn mi offering we have in Dumaguete City right now is at Neva's, and it's not that good. So, we're just patiently waiting our order. Staff here again is very considerate. They're on point. Customer service is excellent. And there's some background noise because other people here. But we'll be back when the food arrives. Right, Zoe?
No, I want to grab the camera. I want to be a vlogger like my daddy.
Alright, so the first thing that's come out after the drinks is the complimentary appetizer. We got some bread and we got some red onion marmalade. So we're gonna try this out. Zoe's already trying to reach for it. No food for you. It's really good?
Good.
Alright. And we also got our spring rolls with our shrimps. And we got some basil in there. Not a whole lot of basil, a little bit of basil. And we should have, this should be a peanut sauce right here. Alright, here's my wife checking out the spring roll. Get a little bit of peanut sauce on there. Pretty good, right? Yeah, they're doing a good job. So far, we're already impressed. The appetizers were really good. The spring rolls are excellent. So far, so good. Now we got our pad thai, and we're gonna be ripping into this. We're splitting it 3 ways, so we might be having to get some dessert. First world problems.
She's liking it too. You don't like the peanuts.
You don't like
the peanuts.
Give us some more. Give her a little more. You don't like the peanut sauce? Well, I guess at this point we'll find out if she has peanut allergies. If she goes into anaphylactic shock. We're not that far from Dumaguete Ace Hospital. Alright, so the pad thai, it's different. This is a fusion restaurant, so you gotta keep that in mind. A lot of times they can't source all the actual ingredients necessary for like real authentic pad thai. The sauce was a little sweet. The noodles were a little undercooked, but it was good. It was definitely worth 279 pesos. We already smashed that. Now the ladies are laying into their bahn mi. I haven't tried it yet. And they also give you this little bahn mi sauce, which is basically the pate. So far, so good. And Zoe's really upset because she's not getting any food.
Look at her eyes.
And finally, la pièce de résistance. The cherry at the top of our sundae is a plate of churros. You got 8 churros here with some chocolate. And we are just gonna finish this off and head out. Overall, I would definitely recommend Soo-Wan. I would say the pad thai was about an 8. It was a little too sweet. The noodles were a little underdone, but it was good. Servings aren't that big. The bahn mi was really close. They need to get some Maggi sauce on there or put a little more pate on it to really get it to pop. And the spring rolls, which are pretty easy to do, were excellent. They were, and the peanut sauce was excellent and everything. So as far as Asian fusion, check this out. It's down in Daro. Again, I get no kickbacks. I don't get free food. I don't get free churros for any of this stuff. I try to be as honest as I can. I'm not a foodie, a food expert by any means. So this is what it is, and this is what my life has become. Until next time, puppies, rainbows, unicorns, and Asian fusion for all. This is Ned.
Chichai.
And Zoe. We'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Okay, here's our final bill. Pad thai $297. Spring rolls were $189. 2 Cokes, 110. Coke Zero. Churros, 89. So it came out to a total of 840 pesos, which is about $17 for 3 people. Good deal. Yeah, we'll definitely be coming back here again.
hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.